my name is Purity. On today's video, I'm going to show you a detailed eyebrow tutorial. But before you go into the video, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for those who watched my previous video. Subscribe to my channel. It is really appreciated from my side. I didn't expect this support, but I'm grateful for that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please do that. Kindly subscribe. Comment down below and put a thumbs up into this video because it really helps me so much. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, I had to switch to voiceover. I was saying in order for you to draw your eyebrows, you need three things. You need a mascara wand or a spoolie. Sorry, a spoolie. If you don't have a spoolie, you can use a mascara wand. You need a brown pencil. For me, I'm using Davis pencil number 003. It is just 30 bob. A flat brush in order for you to clean your eyebrows. So we first start by combing your eyebrows facing upwards. Then you take a pencil, you start from the beginning of penye eyebrows zako zinaanzia, you start drawing light strokes hapo. Follow the natural shape of your eyebrows, the curve. As kuna penye eyebrows zako ziko na curve, follow that curve. Just light strokes, light strokes. On hapo mwisho, just light strokes while drawing your eyebrows. Then on top, usianzie where I started from the beginning. Uanzie way back. Unaona pia nimeanzia a bit further from the front kuliko ile nyingine. So you continue following the natural shape of your eyebrows until zipatane at the end. At the end, at the tip, at the whatever, hapo mwisho zishikane. Then urudi if there's somewhere umekosea. So unaona hii ya chini imeanza mbele kuliko hii nyingine. So you see hapo at the end, hapo sina nywele. That's where I'll fill it in juu hapo sina nywele. Then before doing that, comb your eyebrows so that you mix up it's going a harsh line. Then at the back, hapo ndo sina nywele, so I'll be drawing as in hapo ndo nita fill in ikuwe more darker juu I don't have any hair there. Then hapo mbele just light strokes, light strokes, light strokes. Imitate the hair that I have. And simple as that. That's that. But if you are a beginner, just try out. I know it won't take you a minute to get hang on how to draw your eyebrows. But don't worry. Just continue practicing. As in, practice is the best for you to learn how to draw your eyebrows. But kama umefika hapa, if you don't feel like going an extra step of cleaning your eyebrows, you can just leave it at here and you still look good. But we can still continue as in filling it in. Now we start cleaning our eyebrows. For cleaning our eyebrows, we need a concealer. For me, 2 shades lighter. 1 or 2 shades lighter and a flat brush so you clean your eyebrows. For me, I'll be using concealer shade Fawn because it's a bit lighter from my skin tone. So when cleaning, you start from hapo. Unaona hapo mbele. But hapo kwa hiyo kalaini, just put little products as much as possible. Kidogo so that, let's assume you're a beginner. So it's so hard for you to go blending all the time. Just put little products. So it will be easier for you when blending. Okay. Here I'm explaining more. So and if your hair ime outgrow, if you trust yourself, you can shave your hapo nywele zako zime outgrow. If you don't trust yourself, you can just go to the salon. For me personally, I just don't trust myself. I just go to the salon, get my hair trimmed as in hapo penye ime outgrow. So we start by cleaning on light layers hapo kidogo, following the natural shape. This I'm just doing light layers. Then hapo unaeka kidogo kwa hiyo line, then you spread it going downwards because utaitumia kama your eyeshadow primer. The same concealer. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you can use the same concealer. So while you are cleaning, guys, please comment down below what you want to see from my next video because I was thinking of doing a simple beginner friendly makeup tutorial. If you still want to watch that video, I can post it. If you don't want, tell me there on the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So I'm just continuing cleaning up bado tuna clean. You just do it slowly. Kama kuna step that takes a lot of time in makeup is eyebrows, because you just have to make it so snatched. Because me, I believe eyebrows shape your face. Eyebrows ni like first impression. Msi akikuona ni eyebrows tu anaangalia like from a far distance. So put more time and effort there, and it will just make your makeup look so bomb. So now I'm cleaning, I'm spreading it downwards. Yeah, I'm done cleaning. So after that, we start blending. Naona ukikosea like there nimekosea nikafuta, just take your pencil, pitilia juu, and it's done. So we start cleaning. You can use a beauty blender, you can use a brush, but I preferably like using a beauty blender. I'm just a big fan of beauty blenders. So hapo kwa close to your eyebrows, use your finger. Kumbuka this beauty blender is big. And also for precise, as in precision, as in order for you to clean vizuri, use your finger hapo at the line. Makes it so easy for you to blend. So hapo on top your eyebrows will also be cleaning. So hapo juu will not be using the lighter shade of concealer. No, we'll be using our foundation shade so that it can match with our skin tone. Baadaye tukikuja kublend our foundation or whatever, iko so easy for us to blend. See like iko na ka hash line hapo juu. We blend hapo juu. So I'll be using Black Opal foundation. That's my foundation. I think my shade is truly topaz. So we start cleaning hapo juu. So I start cleaning here. Don't mind how I'm holding my brush, because it's kind of tricky for me to hold my brush. It needs a more steady hand, but I just don't want, because I remember at a minute when I started drawing my eyebrows, it took me a while because it was so hard. Honestly speaking, for me it was so hard, because I'm like, Kai, how can I do this? As in so much, I was so worried if I'll ever get a hold of it, but finally just did it because of practice, interest, and I'm sure for you guys who are watching this video, you also have the interest to learn. So just continue practicing. Hata while I was doing, if it was possible, if we were doing this tutorial, hata ungekuwa tu na eyebrow yako, pencil, all the whatever, tufanye pamoja ndio ikuwe easier for you. So hapa I'm also using near the line. Just use your finger. It is more effective using your finger near the line, because it blend out, isikuwe so harsh. Naona hapo nimekosea, then take the brown pencil, clean it off, and over we are done with. The last thing I'm going to add, after like 8 hours of makeup, we start sweating. So use powder to set your eyebrows. The same way you set your face with powder, also set your eyebrows. Just take a powder, use a beauty blender and tap it in kwa your eyebrows, na inasaidia kumattify. And as I was saying, it helps in mattifying. And also you can just use translucent powder, compact powder, any type of powder you have. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned something. So don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and put a thumbs up. Guys, see you next time. Bye.